Well, good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with your SouthernIndianaWeather.com QuickCast. It is Thursday, May 8th, 2014. Currently at 6 a.m. here at the Southern Indiana Weather Office in beautiful downtown Huntingburg. Mostly clear skies. We're sitting at 66 degrees. Winds are light out of the south at about 9 miles per hour. Humidity 68% with a dew point of 55 and the pressure 30 inches of mercury even and is on the rise. Taking a look at our daily almanac, we made it up to 82 on your Wednesday with a low this morning so far of 66. You can see that is far above normal, and sunrise, it's just about there, about 6:43 a.m. this morning. You'll already start to see it getting light outside here pretty soon by the time you're watching this video. I forecasted a high of 86 yesterday, didn't quite make it, 4 degrees shy. We had some clouds in the afternoon that came around and just blew us down, but still pretty warm temperatures around the area. Today's video update is sponsored by Metal Magic in Washington. You can give Chad a call at 698-8555 for all of your paintless dental repair needs, folks. You may need that because I'm talking about the chance of severe weather here in just a minute, so make sure you write that number down. Tell them Southern Indiana Weather sent you. All right, taking a look at satellite and radar. Here at 6 a.m., mostly clear skies for us, but you notice plenty of clouds out to our west. This is in association with the frontal system that is going to be moving in. You can see that warm front has lifted well to our north. Indianapolis and points to the north now are going to be getting into the 80s like we've seen the past few days. The beautiful weather. Those clouds will start to filter in a little bit. We're under mostly sunny skies early today. Will become partly cloudy later in the day. But then the rain will eventually move in tonight and into tomorrow as this storm system starts to push its way a little closer. But what you're going to find is the chance of a little bit of severe weather with it, as we'll talk about. But what's going to happen is this low, as you can see, it moves. Go back here, and you see it starts to move away from us rather than towards us. It's moving towards northern Indiana, and eventually it's going to move up into Canada and on away from us. And without this strong low moving towards us, our chances of severe weather are a bit more limited, as we'll talk about here in a minute. But as that also moves away, this front is going to become more elongated over us and just sort of linger over us for several days, bringing us some daily rain chances. Current conditions around the area, warm, even 68 degrees still in Evansville. These feel like summertime low temperatures for sure. Let's take a look at your forecast for today. 85 beautiful degrees, mostly sunny skies early, turning partly cloudy a little bit later on the day. You can't complain about those temperatures by any means. If we take a look at your Eubelor and Sons plan your day forecast around the area, everybody in the 80s. Again, mostly sunny skies early with some afternoon clouds. The rain will hold off until tonight. Scattered showers and thunderstorms mainly after midnight. We're still partly cloudy by 6 p.m. Increasing clouds as we go through the evening hours. And again, I think it's going to be after midnight before we really start to see any of that rain filter into the area. Then on Friday, mostly cloudy, scattered thunderstorms. Could we have a severe storm? We'll talk about that here in a second. Cooler with a high around 76. Sunrise is at 6:43 a.m. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has placed a good chunk of our area now underneath of a slight risk for severe weather on Friday. This is a 15% slight risk. You notice that they have expanded it to include some more of our counties. The main risks for this that they want to highlight are damaging winds and large hail, although I'm not convinced that hail will be that much of a problem around here. Honestly, I'm not sure that the 15% needs to be stretched this far to our west. As I've taken a look at the morning model data, it looks the same, similar to what yesterday's models were saying, where yes, the severe weather parameters are all there, but they don't sync up well at the same time. So if they don't sync up well at the same time, think about it as just sort of having your ducks in a row. If all the ducks aren't in a row, then you're not going to get it to perform well, and that's exactly the way it is with severe weather. We may have these nice severe weather parameters, but if they're not all in the same place at the same time that's needed to be, you're not going to get severe weather. And this is very much, for me, a question mark as to whether we're going to see any severe storms for yesterday. I had a blog post on SouthernIndianaWeather.com yesterday about it that you can go out and read. I will do another one of those this afternoon with some updated information as well. But for me, I think this is more, it's definitely a low-end slight risk, which is what they've called it, but I think it's even more marginal than that. I'm not convinced. Can't rule anything out during the afternoon and early evening hours, but I don't think it's going to be a severe weather outbreak by any means. All right, let's take a look at your Dubois County Bombers extended outlook, and you see that unsettled pattern moving in with a mixture of sun and clouds. Some days partly cloudy, some days mostly cloudy, but really all the way through Tuesday we have a daily rain chance. Can't complain about the temperatures. Get out and enjoy today, folks, though, because this afternoon is the last day that we'll have without a rain chance. until Wednesday of next week. All right. So again, if you've got anything to mow, here's what you know what to mow QuickCast takes a look like. Today's going to be your best day. Really, on Sunday and Monday, the rain chances are low, so I've put it as a caution light rather than a red light on that. You may be dodging some raindrops, but it may be possible to get some yard work in on those days. All right, check us out on our many social media websites. Also listen to us on the radio, but some brand new and exciting news. We released our app to the Google Play and Apple App Stores yesterday. Not out for download yet, but we will let you know. Here's some screenshots for you to give you an idea of what you can expect on the app, so see that coming out soon. That will be a brand new way. You can see also in the middle shot there that you will be able to watch these YouTube daily QuickCast videos, our longer range Beyond the Weather videos as well. You'll be able to watch those right from within the app. You'll be able to get a live radar, current conditions, your forecast. You'll be able to submit storm reports to us when severe weather strikes so that I can get your reports that way. There's a lot of great things on there, so look for that. More details on that will be coming soon. All right, I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite. That is your SouthernIndianaWeather.com QuickCast for today. Have a great day, folks, and we will see you tomorrow. Expect a blog post about the potential of our severe weather a little later this afternoon. Take care.